You ever hear about a moment so wild, so unexpected that it just flips the script on everything? That's what happened at the Battle of Trenton, December 26th, 1776. Picture this. It's freezing. The American Revolution is not going well. Washington's army, tired, cold, running out of hope. People are deserting left and right. Some folks even think the fight for independence is already lost. But Washington, he's not giving up. He's got this plan. Crazy, risky, almost desperate. Christmas night, while the enemy's celebrating, he's going to cross the icy Delaware River with his men. Yeah, you heard me right. Boats' ice floes. A winter storm just to surprise a garrison of Hessian soldiers in Trenton, New Jersey. So imagine it. Pitch black night sleet stinging your face, pushing boats through chunks of ice. Some dudes don't even have shoes, but they make it. By dawn, they're on the other side. Now, the Hessians, they're not expecting a thing. They've been partying, probably still half asleep. Suddenly, boom, cannons, muskets, chaos in the streets. Washington leads the charge himself. The whole thing is over in less than an hour. Almost 1,000 Hessians surrender. American casualties? Just a handful. But here's the thing. It wasn't just a win. It was a turning point. News spreads fast. Washington pulled off a miracle. Morale skyrockets. People start believing again. Soldiers re-enlist. The revolution's heartbeat comes roaring back. And that's why the Battle of Trenton matters. It's not just about who won or lost. Grit guts. Refusing to quit even when the odds are stacked against you. So next time you're up against it, remember those freezing soldiers pushing boats through the ice. Sometimes, the wildest risks become the moments that change everything. Thanks for hanging out with me and reliving this epic turning point. If you want more stories that shaped history, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button and check the description for ways you can help the channel. Catch you next time.